Welcome back to Middlefield Custom Sawmill. Today we have what I think is a hemlock log. And this is a little over 13-inch diameter at the small end. It's about 8 foot long. And we're going to cut siding out of it for the kiln. It looks like there's some dirt on it. So I'll have to get the brush and brush it off a bit, but it should be a good log. And then we got another one just like this sitting over there. Going to do the same thing with that, just cutting siding today. So stay tuned, should be fun. Those stickers look good, don't they? That's for slabs. These are the stickers I use for everything else. And those are barn beams. If anybody needs some old barn beams, I got a bunch of them. This log's got a bit of a sweep to it over there. I don't know if we're going to get an 8-inch cant, but we're going to try. Come here, you. This is not a carbide blade that I'm using today, so I'm going to want to check this, make sure that I'm going good and flat. Yep, good flat cut. Here's what it's looking like. It's probably about a foot wide. So we're good on this side. It's fairly wet too, so it's fresh. Notice the bark's not coming off. All right, let's get this rolled up. Now, I gotta Alright, so this board's pretty much scrap. You can see right here there's just no meat. It's mostly bark. That's only going to be 7 there, so this way is going to be 8. No meat there in the middle. This one, I may be able to get a board out of that. We'll try and edge it. If nothing else, I can get a 1x4 if I'm not a 1x8. Okay, so that is 7 inches high, and now I got to flip it up and then cut it 8 inches here. It's a little heavy in the middle, but at the end, there's not much there. Right here, there was. I hate wasting wood. Eight inches wide. Put it in fast motion. We'll just cut through it here. The song you're going to hear is called Empty Hearted Man. It's an awesome tune. It's by the 126ers. They're a YouTube, I don't know, band. There's my siding so far. We got 15 8-foot boards today out of those 2 logs. Maybe it was 16. I'm not sure now. But thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I know it's just cutting boards, but that's what I'm doing today. So we got that giant log. That's about a 22-inch hickory maybe. Or we could do this one if you want to see mulberry. Well, we got black walnut. Or we got cedar, white cedar. Lots of good stuff coming up, so that's what the stickers are for. Slabbing. And I need to get back to slabbing soon as that kiln is done. Anyone need some firewood? Steve, come and get it. It's free. Okay, this building's been here since 2016. That's when we built it. I parked the skidster in here. You can see, I mean, it's dry, right? So explain to me how in the world you get mushrooms growing. There's no water.